From land tenureship to irrigated water, farmers in Hartlands and Catherine are one step closer to sustainable farming following the launch of an $80 million irrigation project on Tuesday. Jamaila Maitland explains.
Dozens of farmers in Hartlands, St. Catherine will finally have access to irrigated water.
It would be built out to cover 400 acres. So we do expect additional farmers to come onto the property once we put in this irrigation system.
For years, the farmers have been occupying the lands in Hartlands without tenureship. But in 2024, 35 farmers received 5-year leases from the Sugar Company Holdings SCJ for cash crops. The farmlands were cleared and plowed. However, there was no irrigated water to grow food. When our news team visited Hartlands in January 2025, much of the farmlands remained unoccupied. During the launch of the Hartlands Irrigated Project on July 21, 2026, the lands were re-cleared and some farming was taking place. Farmer Tanya Anderson explains.
I am elated. I can't wait because gas price going up and you have to do a lot of pumping. So you have to buy a lot of gas to pump depending on the acreage of land that you're producing. Producing on.
The project is funded by the SCJ but is being carried out by the National Irrigation Commission at a cost of $80 million. Work has started, but the water won't come until October or November when the project is complete. Agriculture Minister Floyd Green sought to calm the eager farmers.
We've already procured the pipes and the teams are already out, and we do expect that this will be completed and I will return to turn on the water in another 3 months maximum.
For farmers who are currently occupying lands in other areas in Hartlands, they told our news center that they're only growing a few cash crops. They want to prepare themselves for the relocation when the irrigation system is ready.
When completed, the Hartland Irrigation Project will improve irrigation access for farmers within this area, supporting increased production, greater efficiency, and improved opportunities for agricultural development. It will provide a stronger foundation for farmers to plan their operations with greater confidence and respond more effectively to the demands of modern agriculture.
Jamaila Maitland, TVJ News.